Hey guys, Derek Stinson, Marketing Specialist here at Beachmont Ford. Just want to take a quick second today to share what we got going on in our service drive. Alrighty guys, back here with one of our best technicians, Mr. Steve Wiechert. Is going to show us what we got going on with this F-150 build.
Hey everybody, just working on a phase 2 WHIPPLE supercharger, torquing down the head, getting ready to put it on. This is going to be the heart of the supercharger for the build for Mr. Epinet, and we're just going to keep on plugging away. It's going to be finished up today.
Alrighty guys, just another day here at Beachmont Ford. If you want to get a build going for yourself or need some service done for your vehicle, give us a call here at Beachmont Ford or check us out at Beachmont Ford Performance.